we are going to create this program to show you that how these values are assigned, how this PHP code will be executed, and what values it will display. So this time I'm going to work inside the Dreamweaver, and also I'm going to check. Now I'm going to create a new PHP file. Clear? How to create a new PHP file? So click in the Dreamweaver to the new, and from here this time you will see a lot of different options, the HTML and so on. But my concern is with the PHP. Last time I created a program, but I was using the Notepad++. In the Notepad++, I need to write the code by myself by selecting the language here from P and PHP. Clear? But I'm not using the Notepad this time. I'm using the Dreamweaver, the advanced tool for designing. So the method is to go to File, and in the current project in which we are working in the lecture 2, before the break we have designed that website. So I'm working in the same current project. So click on the file, not open, click on the file to new, and this time I will select the PHP. Clear? And you can give it any name as well according to yourself, but I select that create. So a new PHP document will be open. How you will know that this area, this code is for PHP? We are in the design mode. If you go to the split mode, so you will see that in that area you can write the PHP script inside the body. Clear? So I'm going to write the PHP script. So how to write the PHP script? The method for that is $PHP. Now it will give you error because the tag is open. When you close the tag, so the error is gone. Clear? So I'm going to write the code, then I will close the tag. So I'm going to define that two variables. The one is a, and I'm going to assign the value to it as 8 or 42, semicolon. Now I just declare one more variable, b, and the assignment operator equal to, and this time I will assign the value of a to it, semicolon. Clear? Now if you see in the slide, so I just assigned the value of 42 to b by assignment operator, and then I will change the value of a, and then I will print the b. So in the third statement I wrote that $, again I call the a, so a is already defined here and is equal to, suppose, 345, semicolon. And now, so there are two types of statement to print the result. One is the echo and the second one is the print. You can use any one of that. Clear? So if you want to use echo, so I will use echo, and I will just call the name of that. So you will see that the two variables are already defined here globally. So I want to print the b, semicolon and question mark, close the bracket. Clear? So you can see that this is a PHP script. If you are able to see that, let me, so that file is allowing you to write the PHP script. Is it clear? Now, so that's how you can work in that advanced tool. From time to time you will discover different options in that tool as well. So for storing that file, go to the save as, and I told you that where to save this file. You are going to save these files on the drive where you installed your WAMP server. Inside the WAMP server you will see a www directory. Click on that, and I'm going to store the document with the name of web engineering morning. Clear? Web morning. So we will use a name that we can remember. So BCS 4. Okay, suppose bcs4.php, and from that type select the extension PHP. Clear? So it will support your files up till PHP 5, but not the PHP 7, the latest, which is released in 2016. It will support up till PHP 5.
We should save us for
That extension is PHP, and inside that www directory inside the WAMP server, save it. So it is saved. Now how to execute it? The method for executing is to execute the WAMP server, allow it to yes, and from here check if it becomes green, so it is running fine. Yeah, it becomes green, it means that it is working fine. Then go to your browser, and for running that, right here localhost, the port is .8080. Clear? Because that is in the previous video as well, that I changed the settings. If it is running on your system fine for the very first time, it is okay. If it is not working, try the different ports, 8383 or check 8080. Clear? So in my system, the port from which it is listening is 8080, and the file which I saved was bcs4.extension.php. Now let me execute it, so we will see that the document is executing. So you can see here that the 42 is displayed. Clear? If you displayed the A, so now this time the value of A will be 345. Let me show you. If you bring some changes in the file, now if here I write echo A semicolon, and the initial value of A was 42. Clear? Save, and now execute. See that 345, use the line space, the BR, and then it will be working fine. So inside the Dreamweaver, for changing the line, that is so for working with the HTML tag inside the PHP, so write the new line tag inside the double quotation mark, and then you also need to put that variable inside the double quotation. Clear? So I'm going to display the A on the next line. So first of all, put that in double quotation, and then write the BR tag. Save it, and execute it.
I think you should write
Yeah, so that is okay.